with this building too. So he was he was drinking with his girlfriend, and then he was.
Have we ran him or got a simple team
No,
ran?
I haven't got him yet. But that's what he said. Like literally nothing happened.
Okay, let's get his ID and run him and see what he is.
What are you gonna do with the ID?
Just run his criminal record.
Okay. No, I need to ask.
Thank you.
I have to process those also.
Oh yeah? That's great.
No,
you know what time it is?
Yeah, I do.
What time is it?
It sucks. It's late as
What time is it?
It's late as
What would latest be mean for you?
past 3 a.m., sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you're a contractor and you're interested in that building, shut up and listen to me.
Yeah, I'm listening, sir.
You don't come over here at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Sir?
Stand back. Don't you walk up to me like that.
Excuse me?
You want to walk up to me like that and go to jail? Don't you ever f***ing walk up to me like that again. Sit down. Sit down on the ground. Orlando police, you're under arrest. Sit down on the goddamn ground. Stop resisting. You understand me? Stop resisting. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your f***ing hands behind your back. Put your hands.
Hey.
Sir, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Now.
Officer. Hey, I'm
Sir,
really
relax.
not. I'm not.
Sir, relax.
I didn't do anything. This is ridiculous. Are you serious? Ma'am, I'm not doing anything.
Well, then, next time you don't walk up on the f***ing police when we tell you to stand back.
Sir, you grabbed my jugular and shoved me to the ground.
No, I pushed you back when you walked up to me.
Sir,
you don't do that.
Stop talking.
Stand up.
You grabbed my jugular and shoved me to the ground. Do you know who I work for?
Who do you work for?
Roger B. Kennedy Construction.
Right.